Most people think investing in stocks is about getting rich fast. That's exactly how people lose money fast. A stock is simply owning a small piece of a company. When the company grows, your investment can grow too. But beginners make one huge mistake. They chase hype instead of learning strategy. They buy random trending stocks, panic when prices fall, then sell at a loss. The market loves emotional people. It eats them for breakfast. Smart investors do the opposite. They invest consistently. They focus on strong companies and index funds, and most importantly, they think long-term. Imagine investing a small amount every month for years. That's how real wealth is built, not overnight. Not from gambling, from patience. Here's a simple beginner formula: 70% in index funds, 20% in stable companies, 10% for learning and experimenting, and never invest money you can't afford to leave untouched. Because the stock market is not a casino unless you enter without knowledge. Then it becomes one very quickly. The truth is simple. The people who win in the market are usually the calmest people in the room. While everyone else is panicking over red candles like civilization is collapsing,